Hi Sunshine Families, it's Miss Emily from the Firefly Room, and today we are packing for a camping trip. We've got lots of fun activities and movements to pack our items, to take them from our laundry basket to our suitcase to make sure that it gets to our camping trip. So, I'm going to be transporting a book. Izzy's got a pillow. Ben's got a stuffed animal, because you can't go camping without a stuffed animal. And Jonathan's got a blanket for those chilly camping nights. So our first, everybody put your items back in the basket. Our first movement, and Jonathan's going to help me with this one, is going to be simply squatting down to pick your item up, standing up, and walking it to the suitcase, squatting it down, and leaving it there. Jonathan, can you please stand up, squat down and pick up your blanket, turn around, walk it to the suitcase, squat down and put it down. There we go. That's our first movement. I'm back. Our next movement is going to be transporting our item and crawling over. Oof. It's a little difficult to hold on to the item and crawl at the same time. So my item made it. Izzy, grab your pillow. Ooh, do you get some help putting it? There we go. She's putting it on her back. Ooh, the balance.
Guess what?
Nice job.
Slow me.
That one's hard.
Slow me smooth. Smooth is fast.
Yeah. All right, that's our second movement. Our next movement is going to be a crab walk. I'm going to balance my item on my belly. I'm going to lift up, and I'm going to crawl forward. Whew. That one's hard. All right, Benny. I crab walked forward. You're going to crab walk backwards. Let me balance Manna on your belly for you. And there you go. Nice job, buddy. All right, our next movement is going to be, I'm going to lay back. I'm going to grab my item from the basket. I'm going to lift it up. I'm going to switch it to the other hand. And then I'm going to put it in the suitcase. Jonathan. Where's your item? There we go. Okay, do we need to move it closer? Or you get right in the middle. So start right way out. Stretched. Nice. Very good. This next one is my favorite. I'm going to lay between my suitcase and my basket. I'm going to grab my item with my hands. I'm going to transfer it to my feet, and then I'm going to pack it into the suitcase with my feet. Izzy, give it a try. I might need to move this a little closer for you. All right, grab it. Ooh, transfer it, and pack it. Nice job, girlfriend. And this round of packing, or final round of packing, is just going to be a couple of different movements going from one container to the other. So Ben is going to bear crawl. Woo! You did it.
Very good.
All right, Jonathan. Jonathan's going to balance one foot in front of the other. Nice. Ooh.
I think I cheated.
Perfect. That's okay. All right, Izzy's going to hop on one foot. Nice. And I am going to hop on 2 feet. These are by no means not all of the movements that you can practice moving items from one point to another. But our suitcase is packed, so we've got to head out camping. See you soon.